Trello versus ClickUp. Which project management tool is better? Choosing the right project management tool can completely change how you organize tasks and collaborate without confusion or delays. Trello offers simplicity, while ClickUp provides extensive features. Trello and ClickUp are popular project management tools designed to boost productivity. Trello focuses on visual task boards and ease of use, while ClickUp offers a comprehensive all-in-one platform with customizable workflows and advanced automation. Trello is a visual project management tool that organizes work using boards, lists, and cards. It works by allowing users to create boards for projects, add lists for stages or categories, and fill cards with tasks that can be moved across lists. Its drag-and-drop interface is intuitive and straightforward, making it ideal for teams seeking simplicity and quick setup. Trello supports integrations with popular apps and offers checklists, due dates, and attachments within cards. However, its simplicity can limit advanced project tracking and automation for complex workflows. Trello is best suited for small to medium teams or individuals who want a clean, visual way to manage tasks without a steep learning curve. ClickUp is a robust project management platform combining task management, docs, goals, and time tracking into one interface. It offers customizable views like lists, boards, Gantt charts, and calendars to fit different project styles. ClickUp's strength lies in its flexibility and automation capabilities, allowing users to create custom statuses, templates, and workflows tailored to complex projects. It also supports integrations with many tools and features built-in communication options. While ClickUp can handle large teams and intricate projects, its extensive features may require a learning curve and more setup time. ClickUp is ideal for teams needing a powerful, all-encompassing solution that can scale and adapt to diverse project needs. Trello excels in simplicity and ease of use, perfect for straightforward task management and smaller teams. Its visual boards make tracking progress intuitive but may fall short for projects requiring detailed reporting or automation. ClickUp, by contrast, offers a comprehensive suite of tools that support complex project workflows, detailed tracking, and team collaboration at scale. This makes it suitable for larger teams or projects with evolving needs. The trade-off is ClickUp's complexity, which can slow initial adoption. For example, our marketing team managing simple campaigns might prefer Trello, while a software development team handling multiple sprints and dependencies would benefit from ClickUp's advanced features. Choose Trello if you prioritize a straightforward visual task management tool that's easy to set up and perfect for small to medium teams. Opt for ClickUp if you need a powerful, customizable platform that supports complex workflows and team collaboration at scale. Its flexibility makes it a strong choice for growing teams or projects requiring detailed tracking and automation. Both tools excel when matched to your project needs.